Well, here I have a few more interior under the dash parts. That's the passenger side there. This is the driver's side. And here's another that goes over the heater core on the inside of the firewall. And I got these labeled with numbers on them. So this component here does have some type of a rubber, like a foam type gasket on it, and I don't think you can buy that, but I will find something similar. And this one's actually coming off. I might be able to reuse it, but I'm going to go ahead and get these cleaned up. Now nobody's probably ever going to see this stuff, but I'll know, so I'm going to clean this stuff up really good. We'll go from there. A little quick trip through the bead blaster. This stuff comes off real quick. It's just one thin layer. It almost looks like they might have dipped some of this stuff. It just comes right off. So it only took a few minutes, and they're ready for paint. Well, I just finished up a few pieces for the interior. Just put two coats of satin black on it, and that's about 90% dry. It's got a nice sheen to it. I put some clear on that piece and the screw heads, and this piece is all done. That was kind of tricky to paint each individual flap as you're going in and out there, but I was able to get that done. So that's cool. Got some more things done, and then of course, aren't these the prettiest things you'll never see again once I put them in the car? They are just so pretty. As soon as you do one thing, then you realize, oh, I forgot to do that. So that's, I'll get that thing in the blast cabinet, and we'll get that one done. Alright, I'm going to throw the old blower housing in the old sandblaster, and I just hit it lightly, and this stuff comes off so easy. It's just, I think they dipped this stuff, it's a real light. Oh, that's looking pretty. Now this one's going to be visible because this is going to be on the firewall. So a little bit more shine to it. I put a little satin clear on this one just for a little bit heavier protection than just the paint itself. So that one is going to be dry by tomorrow morning. And one more pretty thing.